everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today episode we are making shish kebab, chicken shish kebab, Lebanese style. Idea of this recipe, inspiration was, maybe many of you don't know, I used to work in Lebanese restaurant and I'm very familiar with Middle East spices. I love Lebanese food. So today we're making chicken kebab and you need chicken as the main ingredients, of course, and use breast. That's what I'm using, or thighs, whatever you prefer. I'm using organic, as you see, it's nice and small, not big breast, but up to you, whatever you want. Another ingredient, onion, lemon. We'll need yogurt. I'm using homemade. Use any yogurt of your choice. Some herbs, cilantro and parsley, and we'll use some for garnish, right? The food has to be pretty. And for the spice pretty simple. We need salt, turmeric, and one of the key ingredients, my favorite spice, it's called 7 spice or Baharat, or another name is Syrian pepper. This is spice so fragrant, so delicious. I love it. Has so many delicious, it's a blend of 7 spice, and I will link below in my blog, as always, description where to buy or how to make it on your own if you wish, but I recommend you not skip on this spice. It's delicious. Let's make it. You need 2 pounds of meat, cut in half and then small. It's a key. Into nice 6 pieces. Onion cut small, thin as possible, so onion can release the juice, and the thinner you cut, the more chance onion can dissolve and release this juice and flavor to the meat. Lots of onion. Second ingredient, lemon, and we're doing the same thing, very thin, so lemon can release the juice. Goodness, I'm crying. Come on. And herbs. Salt. And turmeric. Turmeric gives nice, beautiful color, and it's good for you, right? And now my favorite spice. And hot sauce. I'm using 3 tablespoons because my family don't like spicy food, but you use as much as you want. And the last but not least, yogurt. Generous amount of nice yogurt. It helps to tenderize meat, also give nice balanced flavor as well. And now mix everything. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I can smell already the spice, mix of 7 spice. It's delicious. Cover this plastic wrap and place in the fridge for minimum 1 hour. Chicken well marinated. Этого достаточно. And And if you like, cook outdoor, but I'm lazy today, so I will cook on a grill indoor. Easy and quick. And here you go, delicious and smells so good, shish kebab. I cannot wait to try it, it's still so hot. And I like to serve with my rice pilaf, which I will link below for my next video, how to make Lebanese style rice. Also tabbouleh salad, it's healthy, delicious and beautiful, has nice lemony flavor, kind of wakes up your whole palates to eat together. And also, of course, the best part is the sauce. Look at this delicious sauce made with tahini paste. And now, yes, sample. Juicy, flavorful, delicious. It's beautiful, easy, quick, inexpensive recipe and will satisfy any of you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends and cook from scratch. Bye, see you next time.